Delta 2152 on FM pass 26 left, let's take off.
Good for takeoff on FM pass, 26 left, Delta 21.
Delta 26 traffic downfield, 26 left, line up away.
26 left, line up away, Delta 20. Tower Delta 777, visual 26 right.
Delta 777 Tower, cross my turn up, clear south, heavy bus, 26 right, tunnel lane.
Right, 26 right, Delta 777.
Delta 5051 on the wing 2601.
Delta 3143, count expired, good day.
Delta 3143, have a good one.
Virgin number to having moderate power 123.85.
Delta 188 heavy, left Bravo, hold short 26 left to Delta.
Left Bravo, hold short 26 left at Delta, Delta 188 heavy.
Delta
642 to right, heading 295, runway 26 left, clear takeoff, 717, departure, off quick turn north.
Turn 295, clear to take off 26 left. What is that? Left to the FBO, this ring, last ring.
Hold short, runway 27 right.
And please sir, 1 radar contact, 2 miles, 1 mile north, altitude indicates 1,500.
Air 1 radar contact, and so just a heads up, I will be going about another mile to the north, remaining inside the Bravo.
Roger.
7. Tower Delta 970, visual 26 right.
From 970, Atlanta Tower, clear to land 26 right, 125017.
Clear to land 26 right, Delta 970.
Delta 9959 heavy, RNAV Snuffy, runway 26 left, clear takeoff.
Delta 9959, RNAV Snuffy, 26 left, clear to take off.
Delta 2147 Tower, clear to land 26 right, 125017. Travel 4105, contact Atlanta departure.
Departure, good day, gas 4105.
Tower Air 1 back station.
201, copy.
T8 Tango, cross road 278, and join, go straight on the ramp 1, skip ground.
Bill.
That was 4033 to delay 250 knots, please contact departure. See you later.
Okay, no delay, turn 250 in order to departure. We'll stay on Scouts 4033.
Just like 1403, RNAV to Snuffy, runway 26 left, deliver takeoff.
Service takeoff, run through flight 1403.
Tail away Atlanta Tower, runway 26 left, line up and wait.
Way 26 left, Delta 10 away.
Delta 131 heavy, hold short, runway 26 left at Bravo 6.
Okay, thank you. Delta 131 heavy, we'll hold short of 26 left at Bravo 6.
641 right there, 1260, 1651, 27 left, go to lane number 2.
Delta 148, tower 26 right, to the lane. Delta 2780, RNAV Snuffy, 26 left, let's take off.
RNAV Snuffy, 26 left, clear for takeoff, Delta 7.
Delta Christian Endeavor 5078, 26 left, line up away. Delta 3099, Bravo 5, and hold short 26 left at Bravo 6.
Hold short 26 left, Bravo 6, Delta 30.
Delta 3026, count expired, you good.
Richard Delta 3026, so long.
Trail's been heavy, it's still at a heavy 330 over the threshold.
269, TS 9, so, second, 17 call.
Flight 364, RNAV to Snuffy, runway 26 left, deliver takeoff. Delta 2857 on runway 26 left, line up and wait.
26 left, line up and wait, Delta 2857.
There 839, your number 3 for departure there.
Copy that, Jet 839.
While we wait for all that, your departure frequency is going to be 3347.
3347, Jet 839.
Tower Delta 131, heavy AJ inbound 26 right.
The 131 heavy on tower 26 right, the wind 250 at 16, clear to land.
Clear to land.
Delta 131, heavy, clear to land 26 right.
32 taxi to rescue.
$25.99 contact departure. See you later.
Departure radio still 2599.
With 4033, RNAV to pass, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
RNAV pass, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff, Skywards 4033.
191, runway 26 left, line up and wait.
26 left, line up and wait, Delta 2981. Line up and wait, Delta, line up and wait, 26 left, Delta 39.
Runway 16 Golf, heavy, Atlanta Tower, good afternoon. The winds are 270 at 13, runway 26 right for the land.
Good afternoon, 165.
Qatar 16 Golf, heavy, turn left on Bravo, hold short of Delta.
That's a Bravo, hold short Delta.
Good day, all.
3027, good day. Okay, being at 2424, visual 26 right.
Jet 100, traffic on a 2-mile final. Just keep your speed up when we make the right turn at Alpha 4 and then join Alpha to the ramp with me.
Alpha 4, Alpha with you, Riverside 100.
And 2424 Tower, the winds are 27013, runway 26 right to the land.
Look for the land, 26 right, 2424.
Keep up.
Moody 1 Tango Kilo, approach in, cross 26 right, taxi 2, runway 26 left.
Cross 26 right.
Taxi to 26 left. Tug 5 at Bravo 6, cross 26 left, proceed straight to ramp 5, this frequency, come on.
Come on, cross 26 left, Bravo 6 in the ramp, this time, see you.
Southwest 1314, the tug on your left will be in front of you. If you want to exit first high speed, you can, and give way to them.
Exit first high speed, we'll give way to them, Southwest 1314.
Tower Eastern Express 8245, East Coast, 15 right.
Your call sign?
Eastern Air Express.
Eastern Air Express A345, Atlanta Tower, wind 26015, runway 26 right, clear to land.
26 right, clear to land, Eastern Express 8345. At 1099 at November 5, cross runway 278, join Mike, ground point 75.
Number 201 Tango Kilo, contact departure on 128.57. U2 Delta 1005 Atlanta Tower, runway 26 left, line of wait.
I'm away, 26 left, Delta 1005.
Eastern Air Express A345, next left turn at Bravo 3, say you're parking.
Bravo 3, report in signature.
Eastern Air Express 8345, continue a left turn on Bravo taxiway, hold short of 26 right at Delta taxiway.
Right, left on Bravo, now hold short, 26 right on Delta, Eastern Express 8345.
Number 5511, monitor tower, 123.85.
Wind 27018, gust 22.
Okay, we're just about to call you, thanks. 0 Delta Tango.
1126, contact the Atlanta departure.
Good day, Delta 1126.
Wait.
Runway 26 left, touch rate.
Connected 1008, Atlanta Tower, 26 right, wind 26010, gust 24, clear to land.
Land 26 right, American 1008. Tower, good afternoon. This is BCRF 924 Bravo Delta, visual 26 right, change.
37 right, join Lima, ground.
That's 1233, Bravo 4, cross runway 26 left, echo, ground point 9. 1273, Bravo 4, cross runway 26 left, echo, ground point 9.
Full cross 26 left, echo, ground point 9, Delta West,
Jet 924, Bravo Delta, thanks for waiting. Runway 26 right, wind 26014, clear to land.
Land 26 ready. Tower Delta 1515, visual 26 left.
1515, Atlanta Tower, hello, runway 26 right, the wind 26016, just 21, clear to land. Crossing service cruise, Bravo Heavy 330, touchdown.
Clear to land 26 right, Delta 1515, copy the Victor.
Flight 1403, contact departure, see ya.
Departure 1432.
Delta 1008, are now the impasse, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
West over 5528, minus some weight 26 left.
Runway 26 left, now 6528.
Delta 1004, Victor Loop.
Victor Loop, Delta 1004. Tower Delta 2620, AJ.
Delta 2620, Atlantic Tower, wind 26015, gust 20, clear to land 26 right.
Clear to land 26 right, Delta 2620.
Endeavor 5528, Barnab impasse, clear for takeoff 26 left. Delta 659 Tower, line some weight 26 left.
Wait. Left.
That is good, contact departure, good day.
Keyline 3804, contact Atlanta departure.
Departure down 3004, Lena. Tower helicopter 120 Delta Tango is signature, ready to go out to the north, please.
Helicopter 102 Delta Tango, departure on risk, use caution at signature, northbound out of the Bravo approved, and altimeter 2976.
2976. You want to stay with 0101 squawk?
Affirmative.
Roger.
Afternoon, service left.
120 Delta Tango, we're on the east limits of town, and we'd like to turn southbound for an arrival into signature on the north side.
Number 2 Delta Tango, squawk 0101 and night out, the altimeter is 2976.
5185, contact land departure today.
contact departure, good day.
Delta 374, RNAV Snuffy, quick takeoff 26 left.
RNAV Snuffy 26 left, quick takeoff off 374.
United 470, Atlanta Tower, line to weight 26 left.
Line of weight 26 left, United 470.
Delta 1467, exit Bravo 3, taxi Victor Loop.
Bravo 3, Victor Loop.
126, RNAV impasse, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
RNAV impasse, cover takeoff 26 left, Delta 1126.
Depart 4211, runway 26 left, on the way.
6 left, line of weight, front your plate, 42 left.
Sounds good, on 27 right in Charlie, line up for us.
Frontier 4211, RNAV Snuffy, quick takeoff 26 left.
RNAV Snuffy 26 left, quick takeoff, front your plate, 42 left.
Delta 3146, line up and weight 26 left.
Line of weight 26 left, Delta 3146.
Delta 40.
Clear for takeoff, RNAV impasse, Delta 2050.
Denver 4970, tower, line to weight 26 left.
Tower Gemini 1629, we're going to move to right turn, we're going to signature.
Copy that, Gemini 1629.
Atlanta Tower, Denver 5519, right.
Denver 5519, tower, wind 26017, gust 22, clear land 26 right.
Clear 26 right, Denver 5519.
Southwest 2643, taxi via Victor Loop.
Victor Loop, Southwest 2643.
Delta 1278, contact Atlanta departure.
Delta 1278, please departure. See ya.
2. United 516, contact Atlanta departure.
United 516.
Good day. Denver 5185, RNAV Snuffy, runway 26 left, please take off. Denver 5519, taxi Victor Loop.
Victor Loop,
Frontier 2067, Atlanta Tower, runway 26 left, line to weight.
runway 26 left,
Delta 2128, contact Atlanta departure.
departure, Delta 2128.
Frontier 3869, tower, wind 26018, clear to land 26 right.
26 right, Frontier flight 3669.
Delta 1004 tower, wind 26016, gust 20, clear to land 26 right, caution wake turbulence 767.
Right, Delta 1004.
Delta 1470, contact Atlanta departure.
Departure Delta 1470.
That A2 heavy on 27 right in the line of play.
Delta 2279 at Bravo 2, cross 26 left, Echo, ground point 9er.
Bravo 2 clear to cross 26 left, Echo to ground point 9. Thank you much, everyone. Thank you.
My pleasure, y'all. Good day.
345 is Todd AJ, visual 263.
840.
take J inbound 26 right.
Delta 775 Atlanta Tower, wind 27014, gust 20, clear land 26 right.
And 26 right, thanks for that, Delta 775.
Southwest 999, cross 26 left, echo, ground point 9.
26 left, echo, point 9, Southwest 999.
Good day, y'all. Denver 5389, contact Atlanta departure. Good day, y'all. 845, hold short, 26 left, Bravo 4.
What the initial price?
The 36, 26 right, for the land.
Clear land 26 right, Delta 36.
Delta 815, you ready to go?
Man, on
Yes, sir, Delta
Delta 815 on that pass, on 26 left, let's take up.
Then that's the pickup 26 plus, Delta 815.
November 5 and hold short of runway 27 right.
Delta 3026 on that southeast 26 left, let's take up.
Arnett, happy 26 left, clear takeoff, Delta 30.
Delta 3101 on 26 left, line up way.
Fast enough to wait, Delta 31,